What is up, fellow car enthusiasts? My name is Eric. This is Gridline Go, and today I have a little project that I will be doing. I will be installing wheel spacers, 10mm wheel spacers, and they are in fact hub centric, and I want to talk about that in a bit. So I'm going to do that here on my Ford Focus. Whoop, whoop. And get a little bit wider. I'm not looking for really any more traction or anything like that. I'm just looking for more style. Looks a little bit better. I think filling the wheel wells look a little bit better. So let me go ahead and grab my jack and my spacers. So the spacers I got are H&Rs. These are 10mm and they come in various sizes. I purchased these on Amazon. So here's some numbers, and these are the spacers. So these ones are exactly what I was looking for. These are hub centric. So the hub centric is what you would need specifically for proper balancing and centering of the wheel to the hub. And that's exactly what this lip here does. Additionally, the cutout for this wheel, or the cutout on the hub here. So between these two, if you were to assume that this is the hub of the on the car, this beveled piece is supposed to fit perfectly on there, and that is exactly what this is. That's what keeps this nice and centered. That's what makes these so nice, is because in comparison to the original wheel spacers, kind of like these, those ones tend to have balancing issues. Once you put them on, you go on the freeway, you start getting some gnarly shimmies. They did come with extra studs here, but I will not be using these studs. I do have longer studs already on there. These are for if you didn't have what I have already. These ones here are simply, and I do have a little bit of rust I am going to clean off. I have a wire brush and wheel that I'm going to go ahead and clean, but these, oh yeah, fit just like that. So the rocking is normal, but it's this part here it's sitting on. You can see this is the hub. This is where your wheel actually sits on. This is where it's resting on, not the lug bolts. These studs and the bolts and the lug bolts do not center the wheel, or they're not supposed to. At least most people end up doing so. That's what I did with the doozy with the big steel wheels that I had. But with these, this is the proper way to go, because this is now sitting on the hub. So with the spacer sitting properly on the hub, the wheel can now sit on top of here, this little lip that it is now got. This is what this is made for. This is why these are the proper way to go when you go wheel spacers, and not any way else. As easy as it is, it just, I mean, it's like, it's as easy as that. All right, so the inside is clean. That is cleaner. And the spacer is gonna go ahead and go on just like that, nice and easy. And I'll put the wheel on and torque it down to its factory torque, which is 94 foot-pounds or 128 newton meters, whatever you're torquing to. And on top of that, I'm looking at these, and these tires are shot. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Just 10mm. That's a lot, man. I'll tell you what, that looks so good. So you can see the flushness there. Just that I haven't installed them yet. Okay. You can see it's definitely tucked in. It's great. Gosh, that looks so much better. I'm very happy with that. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to do a couple beauty shots of it when I'm done. I still got to drive it back a little bit around, turn the wheel, and settle the suspension a bit so it kind of widens back out. The car will sag a little bit more once I do that. But dude, this looks great. This looks really, really great. Even 10 millimeters is a world of a difference. Shoot, that's dope. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do the other ones.